So, do you want to learn how to manage your child's unnecessary screaming without any lecturing? Well, here are 3 simple tips for you. First, most yelling can be minimized by whispering. So, the louder your child becomes, the quieter you talk. You don't have to tell your child to stop yelling, stop screaming. Simply, as a response to their yells, become quieter. This technique will work with most age groups. Second, play loud and quiet game. So just like Simon says, your child has to copy whatever you're doing. So first you can say something in a loud voice tone and they have to repeat that. They can use all of their energy in shouting and yelling over here in this step. Second step, you have to say something in a lower voice tone. Now again your child will copy you and they will learn how to regulate their voices. Third, play musical instrument game. So just like a musical coordinator, ask your child to follow your hands. Now you can use gestures like this to indicate how you want your child to speak. You can go like this and ask your child to be louder, speak in a higher voice tone. You can go like this and ask your child to speak in a lower voice tone. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it helped. Subscribe for more.